here with a phone video. I'm going to be showing you guys DIY phone cases, pop sockets, and some phone life hacks. I'm also currently having a giveaway on my channel. I'm giving away two $100 Visa gift cards, one for YouTube and one for Instagram. So to enter the YouTube giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed and watch the entire video. And to enter for the Instagram giveaway, all you have to do is follow me on there and be active. So make sure you guys enter both of those giveaways, and yeah, let's just hop right into the video. Case that we are making is one of my personal faves. So for this, you're going to need a transfer sheet. I just got this really cute one from Michael's that I've actually had forever because I wanted to make a phone case out of it. Now I'm just taking my clear case, which I ordered off of Amazon for really cheap, and I'm just tracing that onto the transfer sheet and then cutting that shape out. Now that I have the shape all cut out, I'm just peeling the back of the transfer sheet off and then sticking that onto my clear phone case. Once you have it all lined up good, the next step is to take the popsicle stick that should probably come with the transfer sheet, and you just want to rub it up and down and make sure all of the things are getting transferred onto the case. Then you peel the top layer off and you're pretty much done. And let me just tell you, peeling that top layer off is so satisfying, and look how cute the case looks. I'm obsessed with this one. It's so easy, so cute. I love it. Next up is the photo case. This is the one I currently have on my iPhone. I really love it. So basically I just printed off this picture I really like of me and my friend in Hawaii. Then I'm just tracing the shape of my phone case onto the picture, as well as tracing the camera hole. And once you're done with all of that shenanigans, the final step is just to cut it out and stick it in your phone case. This is the finished phone case. I think it's pretty freaking cute, and of course you can do any kind of photo you want, so it's personal to you. This phone case is by far the funnest one to make, and all you need is a bunch of nail polish. So basically I'm just taking my clear case, I have it on a little plate so that I don't make a mess, and then taking whatever colors I want. I'm just like, I don't know what the right word is, like scribbling almost. I'm just basically taking it and pouring it and making a mess, but it makes a really cool design. It's so fun. It only takes a couple minutes to make, and you definitely have all the supplies to make it at home, so I definitely recommend that you guys try this one. And this is the finished result. I know I said the first one was my fave, but I think this one might actually be my fave. I don't know. I love them both. If you love to read, then this is definitely the case for you. Basically, all you need is a book page, but if you don't want to ruin any of the pages of your book, you can do what I did, which was I actually found a book that had one chapter from another book. A lot of authors will do that. They'll just throw in a chapter from one of their other books. So I took it from that chapter so that I wasn't actually missing any of the story of the book. I hope that made sense, and obviously while I was explaining that, you guys saw me tracing the phone case onto the page and cutting it out, and now the final step is to add a quote. I wanted something short and cute, so I went with "Create your own sunshine," and I wrote that in pink Sharpie and tried to make it cute. I don't have the cutest writing, but I did my best. Once you're done with your quote, the only thing left is to stick it in the phone case. Like I said, this case is perfect for anyone that likes to read, and of course it's very customizable as well. The final phone case that we're going to be making is a glitter ombre case. So I'm going in with some Mod Podge and painting that upwards, kind of doing an ombre type thing. Then I'm going in with my confetti glitter and I'm just sprinkling that on, focusing most of it at the bottom and then kind of having it trickle upwards to create the ombre effect. This one took a little bit of time to get it all spread out the way I liked, but once I was happy with it, I grabbed some Mod Podge and I poured it on top of it. Then taking my brush, I'm kind of just like pushing it down, I don't know, I'm just kind of painting the whole thing, locking in all the confetti glitter so that we have our case. And this is the final case. I love anything with glitter, so of course I love this one. PopSocket, we are making this really cute glitter sticker thing. I don't know how to explain it, but you'll love it, don't worry. To get started, I'm just grabbing my Mod Podge and painting the entire top of the PopSocket. Then I'm grabbing my glitter, which is light purple and has some holographic flecks in it. It's super pretty. I'm just sprinkling that on and locking it in with more Mod Podge. Then taking this super cute sticker which says more naps, which I really need a nap right now. I'm just sticking that onto the PopSocket while the Mod Podge is still wet, and once it's dry, you're all done. This is what it looks like, and I am obsessed with this. I love this one so much. For this PopSocket, you're going to want to print off some kind of pattern or design that you like. I decided to go with marble, you know, keep it simple and classic. And then on the back side of that, I'm just tracing the PopSocket to get the perfect circle shape. And of course, you'll need to cut that out. You should know the drill by now. Then I am once again painting the top of the PopSocket with Mod Podge, sticking that on, and then locking it in with more Mod Podge. Now you could totally stop here and be done if you want, but if you're obsessed with glitter like me, I would recommend you keep going. I am taking this really cute light blue washi tape and putting that down the middle of the PopSocket. Then with my glitter, I'm sprinkling that on one side, and because the Mod Podge is still wet, it'll stick. With my scissors, I'm just cutting the excess washi tape and making sure I round the edges as well. That is all for this PopSocket. I think it's super fun, and it mixes together different textures, which I really like. I know most of you guys watch YouTube videos and stuff on your phone, and I don't know about you guys, but whenever I have to watch things on my phone, I feel like my arms get really tired. Maybe I'm just really lazy, I don't know. But if you don't want to have to hold your phone, there is another way. You can actually use the base of your phone charger to hold up your phone. As you can see, I just have it stuck in between the two little metal parts, and it's holding it up, and I don't have to hold it. Nail polish can make anything cuter, so I decided that I would paint my headphones with this really cute glitter polish, because if it's messy you literally can't tell because it's clear polish, just has a little bit of glitter. But if you want, you could also paint the left and right headphones different colors to be able to tell them apart. You can do lots of different things with this. It's really fun, and yeah, I think my headphones are way cuter. Life hack that might someday come in handy is that you can actually turn the flashlight on your phone into a lamp. So all you have to do is put the flashlight on and have it facing upwards, then put a glass of water on top, and then instead of having just like a narrow flashlight, it will kind of expand and light a wider area. So that is all for this week's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and turn on notifications because YouTube's been really weird lately and not like sending videos to subscription boxes. So yeah, if you want to watch my videos, make sure you have my notifications on. And I've also decided I'm gonna do this new thing where I like shout people out at the end of my video. So the first shout out goes to 0915317024. I always see you commenting and liking on my pictures and like DMing me and stuff. So yeah, first shout out goes to you. If you guys want to be the shout out of the week, just make sure you're active on either YouTube or Instagram, and I'll pick one of you each week. That's all for this video, and I will see you guys next time with a brand new one. Bye!